Okay, so the audio will start in 3, 2, 1.
The Human Development Index, HDI, published annually by the UN, ranks nations according to their citizens' quality of life rather than strictly by a nation's traditional economic figures. The criteria for calculating rankings include life expectancy, educational attainment, and adjusted real income. The most livable countries in 2006 were Norway, Iceland, Australia, Ireland, and Sweden.
Okay, so the audio finished. What was the audio about?
Human Development Index.
Mainly it was about the Human Development Index. And after that, which words came in the audio?
Vacuum.
HDI, UN,
Citizens, economic figures,
citizens' quality of life, economic figures,
Life expectancy.
education,
life expectancy, education,
real income,
and
world's most livable countries.
world's most livable
Muslim.
countries. That's right.
Norway, Iceland,
Norway,
Ireland.
Iceland.
Right. That's correct. Now guys, as you can see on the screen, an image is also given, right? So sometimes a supporting image is given to support the audio, and sometimes no image is given, it is only an audio. Now what I recommend in this task, if possible, ignore the image on your screen and focus only on the words in the lecture, okay? Because the name of the task is Retell Lecture, that's why. I will be playing one more lecture. All of you, please try to take notes quickly. I hope all of you are ready, and please be very fast in taking notes. If you want a high score in listening, you need more words from the audio in your answer, that's why. Okay, I'm going to play the audio. You always get 3 seconds before the audio starts, and your time starts in 3 seconds. Now.
More than 1 billion people in about 70 countries around the world observe Daylight Saving Time, DST, in some form. Here are interesting facts about some of these countries. Most of Canada uses Daylight Saving Time. Some exceptions include the majority of Saskatchewan and parts of northeastern British Columbia. In the fall of 2005, Manitoba and Ontario announced that, like the United States, they would extend daylight time starting in 2007. The Attorney General of Ontario commented that it is important to maintain Ontario's competitive advantage by coordinating time changes with our major trading partner and harmonising our financial, industrial, transportation and communications links. Other provinces have indicated that they may also follow suit. It wasn't until 1996 that our NAFTA neighbours in Mexico adopted DST. Now all 3 Mexican time zones are on the same schedule as the United States.
Okay. So the audio is finished. What was the audio about?
Daylight saving?
Daylight saving,
Daylight saving time, DST.
Yeah.
And which other words came in the audio?
1 billion people,
1 billion people,
Canada.
70 countries, Canada.
Canada,
North
DST,
Some interesting facts. Most of the Canada
North-
follow DST,
Mm-hmm.
and
northeastern British
some of the
Columbia,
Yeah.
northeastern British Columbia.
Saskatchewan,
2005 Ontario,
Ontario,
US.
Manitoba,
Bill
Atto-
2017.
2017, Attorney General,
Attorney General.
harmonizing
Trading
and
part,
coordinating the time zones,
industrial, communication,
transportation, communication,
Mexico.
and
US decided to extend daylight saving in 2007.
that's right. And finally, Mexico also follows the same
Finally,
3 time zones as
All
the
three
United
Mexico.
States. Yeah?
Yeah.
Same schedule as United
Same
States.
schedule as the United States. That's correct. Good. So, this is how this task is in the real exam also. And you will get 2 or 3 such questions. Now, please note down right now in your sheet that sometimes instead of an audio, you can also get a video. Okay? You can get a video on your screen. And generally the quality of the video is not that great. So it's mainly used as a distraction. So if you get a video, don't focus too much on your screen. Focus on taking quick notes. Okay, hope that's clear. Now, even for this task, we have a template which I have made. And all of you can follow it obviously. So what you can do, you can start your answer like this, you know. The speaker was talking about, and whatever, you know, the speaker was talking about daylight saving time. And then there is a master sentence which you can repeat again and again. The sentence is like this. From the lecture I can hear words like, and then just say 3 or 4 words together. Just say 3 or 4 words together. Don't speak more than 4 words together, maximum 4, minimum 2. And when you want to finish, you can just say and don't worry too much about the grammar in the sentence, in the first and the last sentence. Even if you make grammatical mistakes, that's fine. It won't matter. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying?
Yes.
And try to speak for around 35 seconds. So try to speak as much as you can in this task. The more words you have, the better. And if you don't have many words, you can also repeat the words again. You can. For example, the speaker was talking about the Human Development Index. From the lecture I can hear words like HDI and UN. From the lecture I can hear words like citizens' quality of life. From the lecture I can hear words like traditional economic figures. From the lecture I can hear words like 3 main criteria to measure HDI. From the lecture I can hear words like educational attainment. From the lecture I can hear words like life expectancy. From the lecture I can hear words like adjusted real income. From the lecture I can hear words like the world's most livable countries. In conclusion, Australia, Norway, Sweden, Austria and Germany. Something like this. Okay? So basically try to fit as many words as you can in this template. In every sentence, 3 or 4 words. Any doubts anybody has?
So far so good.
And don't be too fast, don't be too slow. Speak with a lot of confidence and be very clear with the clarity of the words. Now, one last thing.
How much marks does it gonna have, the written lecture?
Around 10.
10 marks.
Approximately. It's not fixed. Depends on the level of the question and the number of questions, but it's not fixed.
Okay.
Alright. Now see, even for retail lecture, you can just write down prediction file. So in the prediction file, I have given a list of the most repeated topics which come in this task. If you want to listen to the lecture, all you have to do, just go to YouTube, type the topic name, space RL and press enter. Immediately the question will come on your screen on YouTube itself. For example, a very popular question in this task, it's about earthquakes. So just go to YouTube and type earthquakes space RL and automatically you'll get the questions on your screen. Okay, so you can take notes, you can record your answer and you can send me a recording on WhatsApp and I'll give you the feedback myself. And the same thing you can also do for describe image. Okay. Now let's go to the last task for today.